I'm working on dying.
Alright, so look, it's raining OD outside right now. I'm in front of this place called, I think it's called the Brothers Pizza Club. I'm not in front of it, but I'm right next to it. So I'm gonna try out their cheesesteak. If you know, as of late, I've been kind of addicted. Alright, I'm gonna show y'all this one that I really want to try. This is the one that Omar had got the other day, and he said that shit was I think he said it was a 9 out of 10, a 10 out of 10. It was 9 out of 10, but it can scale up to a 10 out of 10. So I'm gonna go try this shit out. I'm gonna probably get something. I'll probably get a slice or something like that as well, because it's a pizza shop. If this is good, because right now my favorite spot, like low key, is right next to me. It's blah blah blah, and then we got Jersey Mike's. I hate Jersey, fuck Jersey, but I do fuck with that cheesesteak. Follow me on Twitch. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. I'm feeling like Gunman Tony, man. I'll stress the fuck out. Alright, so look, I wanted to try out that place, but like they don't know, they gotta get their shit together. So I'm gonna try out this other place called Baldino. I'm gonna catch y'all when I get there, cause they playing. They said they on lunch from 3 to 4. Clock back in. Now, alright, so I'm here, right? The tables look like they flipped up. Maybe they just not serving people inside. I just hope they not closed. So I'm gonna go in there. I'm gonna see what's up. I see somebody look like they working. A brother for Black History Month, for those who don't know. I'm kidding. No, but I'm gonna see if they. Hopefully they opening. You know. Hopefully I can go get something to eat. So I'm gonna see y'all in a little bit. You know, pray for me. All right. So look, I don't know. I'm gonna partially blame myself for this. But yeah, I can't get it. I can't seem to get a cheesesteak today. Nowhere's doing it. I think I might have ate all the cheesesteaks in all of Georgia. I don't know. Me and Omar combined. I'm still doing this video. We ain't done. He's done. I give up. But we here now. I hate BQ, by the way. But we want to see what the fuck this is about. What the fuck? Whatever. Alright, so we here. A lady just looked like she was upset because they never got people in there to work. I'm guessing because nobody want to work no more. So, yeah, she couldn't get her cheesesteak. Maybe I'll circle back over this way. This is like in the fucking country. There ain't even fucking houses or nothing. It's just woods. You know they... Alright, hold on. Now because it's melting, hey, it's getting over the whip. I just told the cashier I don't know what's good, so I should just give me anything. This is a triple truffle chocolate or something like that. I got peanut butter and caramel. I don't know something. Whatever. You know I'm down bad from eating DQ. All right, so I got me a cheeseburger. Original cheeseburger. This should look whack. Smell like White Castle. So bunchy. This is like. Man. It's like a big White Castle burger. This shit whack. That shit was so whack. It's like way back burger. Oh, you look like, hey, hold on. You look like McDonald's fries. Hold on.
I'm working on dying.
These taste almost just like fucking McDonald's French fries. DQ, y'all good for something. Dip it in the blizzard. Let's see. I can't believe somebody accused me of doing that nasty shit. All right, last thing. What good here? Okay. Hold up. Okay, hold on. Okay, butter toast. Ooh, it was warm, not hot. Like these bad boys, huh? Not the chicken. I want to try the chicken tenders or chicken strips. That's what it looks like. Look a little crunchy. I got the zesty queso with it. You can also get country gravy. What the fuck is that? Whack. This should taste like you know when you go to movie theaters and it smells like burnt popcorn? Well, not burnt popcorn, but over like they've been making popcorn for 13 hours. Let's try it with the zesty queso. I don't even know why I got queso with chicken tenders. Whatever though. Yeah, that was a terrible mistake. I'm not. They had me. Maybe a different dipping sauce would make this shit a lot better, but right now, it ain't really doing for me. Overall, though, I think this is definitely better than Moe's. This is a travel dog. This is a troop. Excuse me. It's a 3. Just kinda like the fries. I'll catch y'all on the next one. With that being said, I don't know why I did that.